Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Join me as I dive into the ultimate challenge of comparing top luxury car brands to find out which one truly reigns supreme. When it comes to luxury car brands, there are a select few that stand out from the rest. These brands offer the best of the best in terms of performance, design, and features. But with so many options available, it can be difficult for potential buyers and car enthusiasts to know which one to choose. That's why comparing these luxury brands is essential. By understanding the unique strengths and weaknesses of each brand, we can make a more informed decision about which one is right for us. A lot of people get confused when trying to decide between top luxury brands because they all seem to offer similar features and have similar marketing strategies. They're all high-end, they all have a strong brand identity, and they all offer advanced technology and innovative designs. But beneath the surface, there are some key differences that set each brand apart. Take Mercedes-Benz, for example. They're known for their sleek designs and advanced safety features, but they also have a reputation for being a bit more conservative in their approach to innovation, sticking to what they know and love rather than taking risks. On the other hand, you have a brand like Tesla, which is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electric cars. They're known for their futuristic designs and cutting-edge technology, but they also have a reputation for being a bit more experimental, which can be a turnoff for some buyers. When you start to dig deeper into the features and performance of each brand, you start to notice even more differences. BMW, for instance, is known for its exceptional handling and driving dynamics, making it a favorite among driving enthusiasts. But it can also be a bit more expensive than some other brands, which can be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. And then you have a brand like Audi, which is known for its sleek designs and advanced technology, but can also be a bit more bland in terms of its performance and handling. Ultimately, the key to choosing the right luxury brand is understanding what matters most to you as a buyer. Are you looking for exceptional performance and handling, or are you more interested in advanced technology and innovative designs? By understanding the unique strengths and weaknesses of each brand, we can make a more informed decision about which one is right for us. So, what are the results of our luxury brand comparison? Well, I'm excited to say that there were some real surprises along the way. For instance, while BMW is known for its exceptional handling and driving dynamics, it didn't quite come out on top in our comparison. Instead, it was a brand like Porsche that really impressed us with its exceptional performance and handling, as well as its sleek designs and advanced technology. Another surprise was the strong showing from Tesla, which really impressed us with its innovative designs and cutting-edge technology. And while it didn't quite come out on top, it was definitely a strong contender. And then there was Mercedes-Benz, which really impressed us with its exceptional safety features and sleek designs, but didn't quite meet our expectations in terms of performance and handling. So, which brand came out on top? Well, I'm excited to say that it was Audi that really impressed us the most. With its exceptional performance and handling, advanced technology, and sleek designs, it really is the total package. And while it may not be the most expensive or the most flashy, it's undoubtedly the brand that offers the best value for the money. In the end, the results of our luxury brand comparison really boiled down to one thing: understanding what matters most to you as a buyer. Whether you're looking for exceptional performance and handling, advanced technology, or sleek designs, there's a luxury brand out there that's right for you. And by doing your research and comparing the different brands, you can make a more informed decision about which one is right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your favorite luxury brand and why? And don't forget to tune in to our next video for more in-depth car reviews and comparisons. That's all for this edition of Q Sleep News.